Well, we different token, sort of the same listless price action with Ethereum Classic. Again, we have the 2018 high is definitely in play. We saw it as resistance here, and then we've seen it on the 19th and 23rd as being support. We haven't come back down and tested that again. We have emerged from a descending triangle. It's interesting to note that price has been holding on a closing basis above the anchored VWAP across this consolidation. At this point, we could come up and test we have a 50-day simple moving average that's still rising, which is a positive. That can be a magnet for price. So there's a 20% gain available there on the upside. On the downside, down to these lows, the May 19th and 23rd lows, we're looking at a 30% decline. At this point, I personally also am neutral on Ethereum Classic. I'm looking for a catalyst. Its correlation with Bitcoin is really dried up, despite what we've seen in Bitcoin. So obviously it's looking for a different type of catalyst for price, whether it's token specific or perhaps something within the context of the altcoins. So I don't see it really being more than a neutral outlook at this point.
Okay, yeah, like it's again, it's sitting kind of like in the middle of nowhere, right? Do you mind adding the 100-day moving average to see where that sits? Yeah,
It
yeah,
sits just below the 2018 high.
yeah. So basically, lots of importance right there, right? In that 2018 high, right, of
And we have
$47.
also the 78.6 fib retracement of the gain that goes back to the symmetrical triangle breakout on March 29th. So that also comes into play just below.
I see, I see.
So again, we have a situation where we have multiple indicators, levels coming in to provide formidable support for the token.
Yeah, yeah. I see that. So yeah. I mean, this is basically sitting right now in limbo. We cannot really tell what's gonna happen next until a potential close below basically that cluster of support right there around the 78.6, which is like what, like $43.30, or a close above the 200-day moving average. Until that happens, we just need to wait, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's no volume either. I mean, there's absolutely no commitment or emotion since May 25th. Things have been pretty dry.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, for the audience, basically stay away of for this coin until you have confirmation. Because right now, from a long-term perspective, there is no confirmation of whether this thing is gonna continue going up or just go down. Of course, if you're a speculator, you're kind of like trying to have a potential rebound right now, right? But yeah, I would just recommend staying away from this coin, to be honest. But yeah, Akash,